Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, Southwestern stuffed sweet taters. Here's the morning mise en place. And just after prep. And the second mise en place in order of preparation. And all the goodies for the sauce. And the completed sauce. All the goodies for the filling. Starting off with some hot oil. Then I sauteed about a little bit of an onion. Then I added some garlic. And then I added the rest of the veggies. And then I added the spices. Then I sauteed them to have a complete mixture. So the sweet potato is done, and so are the veggies. Here's them combined. Empty sweet potato shells. And the final Southwestern stuffed sweet taters. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen tonight with Southwestern stuffed sweet taters. Have fun cooking.